All right, guys, here's another call I get all the time. Okay, if your car is cranking over and not starting, you need to check for spark, fuel, and compression. Okay, the engine has to have all three in order to start. Okay, you can simply start by checking the ignition system or maybe checking the engine compression and then move to the fuel system. Don't replace ignition components. Don't replace fuel related components. If you lost compression, if the timing chain broke or if your timing belt went south, replacing the fuel components, replacing the ignition components is not going to fix the issue. Okay, so you need to have spark, fuel, and compression for that engine to start. All right, so if you have any questions related to your car or about diagnosing any no start condition, click the link in my bio or in the description and I can help you out.